I'm also on Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name's Laura. I post videos about once a week, mainly about makeup and sometimes about hair, fashion, lifestyle, all that good stuff. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so you get updates whenever I upload a new video. My Instagram and Twitter links are also in the description box below, so please follow me there as well. Today, I'm going to be reviewing and doing a first impressions of the Ulta Beauty Matte Eye Primer. I don't think I've ever actually used an eye primer before, so this is going to be interesting. So if you want to see my first impressions and review, then please keep on watching. So I think I'm just going to apply this with my fingers, and then, yeah, I think that might be the best way to apply it. So this is in the shade Nude, hopefully. Okay, so it's actually a very thick consistency. Hopefully it's not, it looks kind of darker than my skin tone, so hopefully that doesn't affect the eyeshadow that I'm about to put on. Oh, it's like a paste. Oh, but actually once you put it on, I guess it warms up to the heat of your body. So it's kind of like, it's like a thick cream, but it applies very smoothly. It doesn't feel very thick as far as like consistency and coverage go. But I feel like it's making my eyelids feel oily. My eyelids, like my skin in general, is actually pretty dry, so I usually don't have too much of an issue with my eyeshadow melting off with sweat or anything like that. Okay, so this side is dry. It's a little bit tacky, but not too bad. And honestly, it just kind of feels like an extension of my skin. It doesn't really feel too different. So I guess I'm going to apply the rest of my makeup and then come back with any final thoughts. Alright, so I'm back. I've got a full face of makeup on. I did my eyeshadow off screen. I'm actually going to be uploading, or by this point I might have already uploaded a video of how I did this eye look, so I'll link it in the description box. Yeah, so I mean, I didn't really see much of a difference between using a primer and not using a primer. I'm just kind of a skeptic when it comes to primers in general, whether it's like face primers or eye primers. I'm kind of like, I don't know. Maybe just my skin is pretty dry, so like makeup seems to sit on it better. I didn't notice any difference really in the application or pigmentation of eyeshadow. So do you need this? I don't know. If you have oily eyelids, this might actually be good for you. My eyelids are kind of like regular, like so I personally didn't notice a difference, but I mean, product's fine. It's a nice base to work with, like especially if you have like uneven texture on your eyelids, or if you've got some pigmentation on your eyelids, like visible veins and things like that, then it might be a good investment. I mean, it's like, I don't know, like $5-10, something like that. It's not very expensive, but it might be a good idea to invest in primer. Usually I just, if I'm doing a full face of makeup, I might just put some concealer or foundation on my eyelids just to kind of like smooth anything. But in general, I'm just kind of like, whatever, like it's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm just kind of, So, I hope that helps. I don't really know. I feel like I'm just like, you know, whatever, this product's fine, you don't really need it. The end. Nothing against Ulta or primers or anything. I'm just kind of, I don't really personally notice much of a difference when I use them, but that's just me. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd also love to hear if you guys find that eye primers or any primers seem to work for you. Maybe I'm doing things wrong, I don't know. So feel free to comment below, and I'll see you in my next video.